Hi, my name is Haley. I'm here with Wild Hand, and today I'm going to be showing you how to work left and right leaning cables without using a cable needle. For today, I'll be using this Leica straight needle, and for my yarn, I'll be using Kelborn Woolens Germantown. Both the needles and the yarn are listed in the description box below. So let's get started. You're going to work in pattern up until the point where you would like to cable. So for me, I have a 2-stitch garter edge, so I'm going to knit 2. And then I'm going to purl these 2 stitches before my cable. And now I'm at the 4 stitches that I'm cabling. So on this side, I want a cable that leans to the left, so these 2 stitches need to sit on top of the left 2 stitches. In order to do that, I'm going to slide these 2 stitches off, and I'm going to insert my right needle behind the front 2 stitches into these second 2. And then I'm going to take my left needle and insert them into the front 2. Now you can see I've created the twist for the cable, and I'm going to slide these 2 front stitches back onto my left needle. So now we've cabled, and I'm going to knit all 4 of these stitches in their new order. When you're doing this, be mindful of the way that the stitches get placed back onto the needles. Sometimes they can get twisted, so just make sure you're knitting through the correct loop in order to not twist any stitches. So for the second one, I want these 2 in front. So I'm going to take my left needle from behind and insert them into these 2. And then I'm going to take my right needle in the front and pick up these 2 and place them back on my left needle. And there it is. I have the twist for my right leaning cable. I'm going to knit all 4 of these, knitting through the back because, like I mentioned earlier, I twisted them a little bit and this one was correct. And then I'm going to purl these 2 stitches and knit these last 2 for my garter edge. And that's all there is to cabling without a cable needle. It's really simple. It does work better when you have like non-superwash stickier yarns because the stitches tend to stay in place really easily. If you have a slippery yarn, just be mindful not to put too much tension on the stitches in this direction so that you don't pull any stitches out or drop any stitches. And then for the back row, you'll just work in pattern as usual. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can catch all of our future tutorials.